Hey guys, all right, so we just finished this next section where we went strong. That's where we ended. And then, so you're gonna, there's like a, you have a pause on choreography, but the music's still going, and the word eyes comes up. And so on eyes, you're gonna use your right arm and move it towards the left and flick your wrist. Eyes. Here, you're gonna do the opposite side, and then you're gonna go across like this. And then from here, you're gonna step back on your left, back here, and then you're gonna kind of move your body to the left, right. So this is the groove, kind of. Ba, 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 ba. So then it's just gonna be you're here, right arm's up, left arm's down while you move left, and then you're gonna switch right. And so in this instance, your left arm would be up, your right arm would be down. So ba, 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 ba. So make it more of like a wave. So wave here, wave here. And so really quick, this will also, this part, and then the chorus, you're gonna repeat the same choreo for each time the chorus comes up, except for kind of the ending. So that way it's a little bit easier to follow. The only thing we're doing is changing the verses. So the next part, this will be the same each time. You're here, here. Don't come for me. So you're stepping right, kind of like you're serving somebody, and you're stepping on your left, left, right. And then while you're stepping on your right and your arm's going left, you're gonna step on your left, and then you're gonna point this way. And this part, like, take your time, be really slow about it. So bum, 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 bum. Don't come for me, step left, and then go left, and you're stepping on your right today. And then you're gonna go left, right, so you're just leaning forward to the left, back on your right, and your arms are crossing, and you're going back. So don't, bum, 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 bum. Don't come for me today. I'm feeling good. Da 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 da. And then you're gonna step on your left, step on your right, face the back, and then you come out again. And this is called a pirouette. And no, this is called a pirouette. This is called, I forget what it's called. I'm sorry. But it's just a simple one turn to your left. So we can stop there for now.